Different materials shrink at different rates. ABS, PTG, polycarbonate, all are within a similar range. You start to get into like high density polyethylenes, shrinks a lot more. You start to need a much more aggressive draft angle. Heating causes expansion, cooling causes contraction. We have to heat up the plastic in order to get it pliable to form over the molds. It's heated up, it becomes pliable, form it over the molds, and then we have to freeze the plastic again. We have to cool it back down. This causes shrinking. If you shrink it over top of the mold, it's going to stick. It's going to grab on. So we add, most of our molds have a 4-degree bevel here. That helps it release. Unfortunately, this causes some dimensional differences between what it is on the mold and what it is when it's fully cooled. Give you an example. Right now, this mold at that dimension is 25 inches. The mold measures 25 1/4. So over the full length of this part, we get 1/4 inch of shrinkage as it's cooling. If I just allowed this to have vertical sides, that would be 1/4 inch of grabbing onto the part. Now, it's still going to grab onto the part, but once you get up a little bit, it's going to release fully.
Because of the taper on our molds, one face of the guard is slightly larger than the other. Be sure to take this into account when measuring your equipment, to make sure there's enough room for the guard and its backplate. If you have any specific questions about measuring your equipment or sizing a guard, please visit www.machineguard.com.